Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be talking about the Chaikin's volatility indicator. Alright, so for the purpose of clarity, I'm just going to be writing out the name of the indicator so that you can see it clearly. Alright, so the Chaikin's volatility indicator is an indicator that measures the accumulation and distribution line of the MACD. All right, so this indicator helps traders to identify momentum shifts and directional trends with precision. All right, so this is quite an interesting indicator. It's an effective indicator, and it can be used by every kind of traders, whether you are a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader. You can be able to make use of the Chaikin's volatility indicator. Now, this is a custom indicator, meaning that you will need to download the indicator from an external source and then add it to your indicators library before you'll be able to load it to your charts for the MetaTrader terminal. So now I'm just going to be loading the indicator to the chart because I have already downloaded it. All right, and here we go. This is how the Chaikin's volatility indicator looks like. All right, now this indicator can help you to spot good entry and exit points. All right, basically how the indicator works is that it oscillates within this territory, within this oscillator window or this indicator window. All right, so if you want to set specific levels, you can actually come here and set specific levels, but in the default settings there are no specific levels. All right, for the for the indicator reversal points. Okay, there are no specific levels, but you can do that in the settings if you wish. All right, now how do you make use of this indicator? Okay, how do you make use of this indicator? When using this indicator, you should pay attention to the extreme levels. All right, when the indicator gets to the extreme levels, that is where you should pay attention to. So when you are making use of this indicator, you should pay attention to the extreme levels. All right, well, one thing to note with this Chaikin volatility indicator is that it does not necessarily give you a signal based on the direction of the indicator with respect to direction of price. What I mean is, unlike the regular momentum indicators that the likes of MACD, RSI, stochastic, and the rest, this indicator gives you a reversal signal, whether it is a buy reversal or a sell reversal, by rising high to this extreme level. All right, so whenever you see a bearish move and the Chaikin volatility rises high to the top of the indicator window, it signals a reversal. In this case, it's going to be a bullish reversal. On the other hand, if it was a bullish move that was prevailing, all right, I'm looking for a good example. If it was a bullish move that was prevailing, for example, here we can see that there was a bullish move. There was a prevalent bullish move, right? And then we can see that the Chaikin volatility indicator also rose to the top and it began to cross downwards. In this case, it's going to be signaling a bearish reversal. Can you see that? So pay attention to the extreme level of the Chaikin volatility. Whether it is a bullish trend or a bearish trend, your main focus should be in the Chaikin volatility rising to the very top of the indicator window. You can see in this situation, it signaled a bullish reversal. because it was a bearish trend that just concluded. All right. So if a bearish trend is just concluding and you have the Chaikin volatility rise to the top, it means a bullish reversal is imminent. If a bullish trend is just concluding and you have the Chaikin volatility rise to the top, it means that a bearish reversal is imminent. All right. So basically, that is how the indicator gives its signals. So you can decide to use this indicator to target reversals. All right. If you are a fan of reversal trading, then this indicator is going to come in handy. Okay. But make sure that you always get confirmations. All right. When making use of this indicator, make sure that you always get confirmations for your signals. For example, we had a bullish trend here, and the bullish trend was just coming to an end, and we had a breakout and we had a retest. All right. So this retest confirmed the bearish reversal that is about to happen. And at the same time, the Chaikin volatility was already at the top, giving us a sign that a bearish reversal is imminent. Now, in addition to checking the break of structures, pay attention to support and resistance zones. All right. In addition to trend lines, pay attention to horizontal support and resistance zones as well. Because as we can see, around this point where there was a breakout and a retest, we can see that the resistance zone also confirmed the sell reversal, because there was a significant selling pressure and price couldn't break above this resistance zone. Okay, so this confirmed the signal from the Chaikin volatility. You can also decide to add other indicators for confirmation, for example, the moving average. And we can see that the moving average also confirmed the reversal as the price dropped below the moving average. All right. So basically, when using the Chaikin volatility, you should be paying attention to the extreme level. All right. Specifically, the upper level. Okay. Pay attention to the upper level. When the Chaikin volatility rises to the upper level, it hints at an imminent reversal. It doesn't matter whether it's a bearish or a bullish move. You need to pay attention to the Chaikin volatility rising to the top. In both cases, both bullish and bearish, it represents a reversal. Okay. Now, in terms of risk management, it is very important to pay attention to risk management. All right. Do not trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and always make sure that you observe good risk to reward ratio. For example, if you are risking $1, your potential profit target should be at $2. Okay. So even if you have equal number of wins and losses, you're still going to be on the winning side. Okay. And then do not trade with do not open a position, a single trade with more than 2% of your capital or your actual balance. All right. Your trading balance. Do not use more than 2% of your account balance to enter a single trade. Okay. For the purpose of risk management. All right. It is very important to pay close attention to all this. Okay. So that is it for this video. If you have any experience using the Chaikin volatility indicator, kindly share your experience with us in the comment section. And if you have any questions, kindly drop your questions in the comment section as well. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.